The unfolding paper effect is a popular and simple way to enhance your video. This tutorial is under a minute, and I've included a link to download my project file for those in a hurry. Import your image and the paper fold video. Scale the image as you like. Set the track matte of the video to your image. Apply the key light effect. Then select the blue color. Duplicate your image. Pre-compose the video and the image copy. Duplicate that pre-comp. Place your image beneath the compositions and set its track matte to the pre-comp above it. Then turn on its visibility. Add key light to your another pre-comp and select green color this time. You can now pre-compose everything and set it to reverse time. That's it. Be sure to check out my free paper Unfold Effect Assets pack.